This video will demonstrate how to edit an image using Photoshop. Open Adobe Photoshop on your desktop. Choose Open and select the image that you want to edit. We will make this image 1800 by 1000 pixels so that it can be used in a featured media web element. First, we will resize the image. Choose Image, Image Size, and change the width to 1800. Choose OK. Next, we will need to crop the image to make it the right height. Select the crop icon. Under Ratio, add the width of 1800 and the height of 1000. This will use our existing width, but allow us to crop away the part of the image that we don't need. Move your image so that the portion that you want to display is within the grid. Select the checkbox to save. Now our image is 1800 by 1000 pixels and we can save it. Choose File, Export, Save for Web. Choose Save. When you save the image, make sure that you use the correct naming conventions of lowercase letters and dashes to separate the words. Save it to a location that you can easily find. This concludes the Photoshop demonstration video. Please check out our other learning resources and schedule a consultation if you have any questions. Thank you.